wake up tired even after sleep, like something in me fell too deep. Smiles don't reach where I exist. Everything I touch turns to mist. The world keeps moving like I'm not there. I scream inside but no one cares. Time passes slow then disappears, leaving me alone with my fears. I try to run but I stay the same, lost in a body I can't name. I'm fading into empty light, trying to survive the night, but nothing feels real anymore. I don't know what I'm here for. Every breath feels heavy and cold, like a story that's never been told. I'm fading to empty light, and I can't make it right. I talk to silence like it's a friend, knowing it won't answer in the end. Days blur together, colorless and thin, like I'm trapped in a place I've never been. I search for something I can't find, a reason buried in my mind, but all I hear is the same old sound of me sinking further down. No direction, no relief, just quiet pain beneath belief. I'm fading into empty light, trying to survive the night, but nothing feels real anymore. I don't know what I'm here for. Every breath feels heavy and slow, in a place I don't wanna go. I'm fading into empty light, and I lose the fight. I'm not broken, just worn down, drowning in a silent town. If I reach out, will someone see the parts of me